Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and this is the watch face of the week, and happy hump day. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a nice watch face to check out on hump day, and the name of the developer that made this one is called Novius. Now, the name of the watch face is called Ambivalent. Very nice looking watch face, and always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. Now, what I like about this watch face, first of all, is you get the best of both worlds with analog and digital, and it's a traditional watch face look. You got a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch, and also you get a couple of dials. One is going to be for your battery, so if you want to go in and get more info, I don't see why, but you can. But here you're going to get info on your calories burned, steps, miles walked or ran. You tap on the time, it's going to allow you to be able to set an alarm, which I thought was pretty cool. And you do get shortcuts around the bezel of the watch, so if you need to make a phone call, get your weather, your calendar, your email, things of that nature, you can do this with this watch face, and that's what I like about it. But I'm loving the look of the hands as well. I thought that was very creative, and if I double tap, I can change the color of the digital time. Background, I like that red. That red looks nice. And you can just cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer, and check out the developer's lineup. Now also, it does give you the day, the date, the month. I think this is a very nice look. But the question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? Me personally, I'm thinking it's a download, and it's affordable in the Gear Manager store. Check it out. All right, you all, enjoy your hump day. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.